Hello, welcome back to the Be Your Own Doctor series, where we are helping you jumpstart the process of taking charge of your health and happiness. I am Dr. Malik Haruna King, and today is day 10, and we will be enjoying the best foods given to humanity by eating plenty of fruits and vegetables daily. Fruits and vegetables provide essential vitamins and minerals important for keeping the body cells and tissues in good state, and these produce good health, making you look younger than you really are. They reduce the risk of certain cancers, stroke, heart diseases, and diseases involving the digestive system. They help control the blood pressure, and people with diabetes have better blood sugar control if fruits and vegetables are correctly introduced in their meals. You might have to talk to your doctor for details. Fruits and vegetables are relatively lower in calories and hence reduce the total caloric intake if major portions of daily meals are replaced with them. Many people have recorded remarkable weight control when this is coupled with relevant exercises like skipping and other aerobic exercises. They contain vitamins that are important in improving vision and preventing conditions that lead to loss of vision and blindness and so on. The benefits are numerous and it is readily available and affordable. So go for it. Go for the first and the best food given to humanity. Eat plenty of fruits and vegetables every day. What to do? Which is your best fruit? Apple, watermelon, oranges? Which? Make a commitment and decide on how to start eating that particular fruit regularly. What is the name of the fruit? Let us know in the group chat, in the comments below. Tomorrow we will look at how natural doesn't necessarily mean harmless and why you should be very careful. Take charge of your health and happiness. Thank you.